miss you all so much, but don't worry, we'll be back to business soon enough. Today, I'm going to show you all how to survive through this crazy time that we're living in. So, with my to-go kit, I'm going to have my own kit right now to show you just how to use every piece in it and what to do when you receive it. So, what you'll be needing is a brush, a clip, and it could be any clip, doesn't matter. And then I just put a towel around my shoulders because you guys don't have a cape, so that's what you're going to be using. So now when you receive your kit, you're going to have your color, PST towel, and gloves. So first you want to take the PST towel. You can either wrap it around your neck or you can use it for when the color is around your hairline. So you just kind of take it and you can just tuck it. Okay. This will just stop the color from dripping down, and the color actually does not drip because I don't use, I use a cream color, not a liquid color, so you should be good, but just in case. Okay, take your earrings off, take your necklaces off. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to brush our hair. So just brush the ends. Don't brush the root because you don't want to irritate your scalp. Okay, so just kind of get the ends nice and tangle free so that you can at least move quickly and you don't have to worry about getting any tangles. Because the idea is to move quickly so that everything processes evenly. So try to time yourself where it's about 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops for you to apply your own application. Okay? And listen, whatever you get, you get. If you don't, it's okay. I'll fix it when I see you guys. Okay, cool. Now you're going to take your gloves, put them on. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now what you want to do is you want to shake your bottle. Now only shake your bottle if you're going to apply your color. Don't shake it until you're ready to apply it, okay? So I have the plastic on everyone's bottle, so you shake it up really good with the plastic on so you don't have to worry about it flying anywhere. Okay, make sure it's really blended really, really good. Okay, cool. So now you're going to take the top off, remove the plastic, put the top on, and you're ready to go. Okay. Okay, so now you're going to take your color, draw a line. Okay. And you're just going to like mush it in there. Mine is conditioner, that's why it's so thin. But literally just going to mush it. Do not rub it in, okay? Because we don't want to irritate our scalp. So, and then what you could do is take the tip of the bottle, slide it in there, and boom. Now you're going to do the next section. And you just kind of like mush it in there really good. And this is what you do, and then that's it. Okay, so just make sure you get everything you need to get, no problem. If you have highlights, try not to get it on your highlight, but if you do, don't worry, I'll fix it when I see you. If you feel like you're not sure, you can always FaceTime me, you know? I'll be around doing nothing, so please feel free. Okay, and then you just kind of, that's it. All right, and then to the back of the head. Okay, so you do the whole section in the front. So now you can take your finger do the best you can. Okay? And listen, if it's not perfect, it's fine. It does help if someone else is doing it for you. It helps control everything. So, and then, right, try to apply it in about 10-15 minutes. Process for 35 minutes, and then you're all done. And then you can just use warm water. Don't use hot water to rinse it out. It's not good for the hair cuticle, and it's not good for the color to, when you rinse it out, it's gonna blend in with the rest. So if you're a single process like me, it's fine. If you have highlights, definitely be more cautious and use a lukewarm temperature. It doesn't have to be cold, but lukewarm is fine, okay? And then that's it. You can shampoo, condition, and then send me an after photo. I love you guys. I miss you all so much. And if you want to FaceTime me, that's fine. Please do. Okay? Mwah!